Finest here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1965 and 66 Cadillac dash pad by RESTOPARTS, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. When it's time to replace your faded, cracked, or damaged dash pad, Original Parts Group has you covered. Every detail is important, and that's why we have the reproduction of this model down to a T. These are proudly made in the USA, and each dash pad features a low-density urethane foam molded core with steel inner structure for added stiffness and to provide all the correct contours and rigid inner structure. In the final stages of these being manufactured, every dash pad is wrapped with the factory Madrid-style grain ABS vinyl, just like the originals. All the factory colors are available and follow the same GM specifications and correct color dyes. The result is the finest quality reproduction dash pad on the market. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.